Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the CRKT Orange Provoke. This is the newest variation of the Provoke line. Still rocking that same 2.41 inch blade as well as the 7.37 inches overall when deployed. But the main difference, well, besides the orange handle of course, is it comes with the more affordable materials where it uses just a Grivory handle as well as just a standard stainless steel that's half the cost of the regular Provoke, but still gets the job done. And if you don't know how the Provoke works, you've got the little release right here that you push down on. Releases the blade. You fold it back up. And it's not going to move until you do the little deploy method. Put your thumb up here, push down, and it fires. So make sure to get your new Provoke today at Blade Ops.